Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Jeff. I'm from theboxman.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. And in this video, what you're looking at are two of the best Formuler devices. Right here, we have the GTV, the Formuler GTV. And then over here, we have the brand new Formuler Z11 Pro Max. And I had some people ask, what are the differences between these devices? And I just got some information and I want to go over that real quick and possibly show you the screens on which one I prefer and the differences of the launcher screens and what comes in them. So if you didn't know, Formuler is probably one of the best manufacturers of these types of devices that helps you stream TV from the internet. And so this is the brand new Z11 Pro Max. It's 4 in 32, as you can see right there. 4 gigabyte internal memory, 32 expanded memory. It doesn't come with the Bluetooth remote like the GTV does, but you can purchase it. It comes with an IR remote, which works really well. This is one of the best devices right now, is because it's the newest one. It does have the gigabit of speed, so if you have high speeds, both of these have the gigabit of speed. But some of the things it does have, it has Android 11, and it has, Widevine 1, level 1. It has the expanded memory of 32 gigs. And if you want the top speed, it does have that. But what it really touts is the MyTV Online 3, the player that is probably one of the best internet providing players for live TV, sports, and entertainment. Now, some of the benefits of this device, it also allows you, if you have an Android device, to scan a QR code and to scan what's on the box to your tablet or your Android phone for free. So they call that MyTV Online Plus. So that's a big thing. Now over here we have its little brother, so to speak, because this has been out for a little bit longer. This is the Formuler GTV. This is the one that has the same, it has less memory. This has 2 gigabyte not expanded memory, but 2 gigs internal memory, 16 gigabytes, which is plenty of expanded memory. It does come with the Bluetooth remote, as you can see right there. It has the Bluetooth right there. And it has more of an Android TV feel. So, and you'll see on the screen, it has everything in the front, everything you're looking for. If you have a Google account, which is important, it's like an Android TV feel. So this is more for the Android TV or smart TV look. And you'll see that in a moment. Versus this, it's its own look whatsoever. There's nothing to it. There's nothing to it. It's just a little bit different. Whereas the GTV is made, I believe, more for the consumer. And I'll explain when we show the launcher thing there. So basically, it does have the high-speed gig. So it has high speed, so you can have your high speed. It has the search, universal search, but it only has MyTV Online too. And that's not a downfall. It's actually better than MyTV Online 1, which is on my older formulas called Dreamlinks. But the Formuler GTV is a staple in my, it's just one of the most foundational units that I have. Now, a lot of people ask, what's the main difference? So the main difference is this. This is more controlled by Google. It's open to a certain point. It's very hard, I believe, to change the launcher screen. I'll keep trying. It's very difficult to change a lot of different things because Google won't let you do it. They got it locked down, okay? The Z11 Pro Max is the only Z11, the only formula that's running the Linux, the Linux software. Open-ended software is very stable. It's very faster than Windows. It's open sourced, so you can really, set up things you want. There are no restrictions on it. And Linux is a great operating system to run other devices on versus this is running on the Google platform. So that's a major difference than it's running Linux. So in this next part of the video, let's take a look at the screens and the launcher screens and I'll tell you which one I like the best. All right, stay tuned.